guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys asked me to share with y'all how I edit my Instagram pictures, so I'm gonna be doing that today. I think you'll think that the way I edit them is a little bit more complex than it really is, but basically I kind of, for the past few months, have been trying to find like my aesthetic, and I think I finally found it. So the first thing that I do is have the pictures, of course. To get the pictures for today, my little sister and I had a photo shoot. Not really, she only took one picture of me. I'd use self-timer for the rest, but I just took those so I could have some reference while I do this, and so it wasn't pictures I've already edited before. So now we're just going to go into VSCO. So I had quite a few just because I couldn't decide which ones I liked. I just wanted to get some different angles and stuff so I could show y'all how to mess with the shadows and highlights to really get the picture to where you want it. So we'll start with this one. We will start with that one. We're starting off with this picture, which also features my dog in the background, but I actually already have a preset that I use, that I've made, but it uses one of the locked filters, but I'm making this free for you guys. So I'm gonna go with M5 because that's my favorite, and then I am going to go into the exposure, and I'm gonna take that down to about -2. Then I'm gonna go to contrast and bring that up about 1. So I like to do that because you'll see in a moment. Just wait. Now I always like to sharpen my photos, probably about 2. And then I'm going to go to saturation, and I'm going to take the saturation down about -2. And then my favorite thing is to mess with the shadows and the highlights, because that really will just bring your picture to another level. So like shadows is gonna bring all those dark spots, it's gonna make them lighter. Just like that totally transforms the picture. I'm probably gonna do that about 5. And then the highlights darkens the brightest points. I'll probably do that about 5 as well. Look how much different that already looks. Now I'm gonna go into the clarity, and I'm gonna take that up a little bit. And I'm also gonna go into the white balance, and I like to take it up about 1 on each. So now I'm gonna go to skin tone about 3, and then go to grain about 2. I don't like my Instagram pictures to be super grainy. Now, if I was only posting it on VSCO, I like them to be grainy and aesthetic. I will put my VSCO feed up as well. You should go follow me on both. But yes, so y'all see how much different that already looks. And that's really my aesthetic. So now I'm just gonna go through, and I'm just gonna like mess with a few things to see if I can change anything. So I think I might make it a little bit darker. I'm gonna go to saturation. I'll bring it to -1.5. I'm gonna mess with the shadows again. I'll take it to like 6. I'll take that to 6 as well. And I'm actually really happy with that. So I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I'll actually take the grain to 3. Okay, now I'm just going to save. But yeah, that's how I edit them, and like you can just see how much more aesthetic that picture is. I love that. So I'm gonna edit another one with different lighting. So that was outside. This is inside lighting. So we're just gonna go with M5 again, which looks super not good right now. So we're just gonna take the exposure down a lot. I'm gonna do negative contrast just because the lightings are so different. And then I'm going to go sharpen about 1, clarity about 1, and then now I'm just going to saturation. Now I'm going to go into the highlights, and I'm going to see how much like different that made my skin. I'm going to go to like 6, and then shadows I'm gonna do about 4. And now I'm gonna go into the white balance and add that 1 and 1. Skin tone, take it to 3. Grain, I'll add a little bit of that. Now saturation, I'll add a little bit of that, and then I'll add some contrast. No, I won't. Still not adding any of that. I think I'll take the exposure down a little bit.
Yeah, there we go.
That's what we needed.
All right, I think I'm gonna take down the yellow, or I'm not really feeling the reddish tint. I think I might do that. And then give it a little bit more exposure. Yeah, I like that. All right. So that is with inside lighting. So now you can see how the aesthetic stays the same. And now I'll try this one. And now I'm just gonna do like a time lapse of me fixing these up. And this is a good example because there's so many different lightings. Like I have the sun coming up from the top, and then I have that shadow at the bottom and the shadow on the left side of my face. So this is a perfect example of how much highlights and shadows can really transform your picture. So yeah, that's basically just how I edit my picture. I'll also put some pictures of how the preset that I use looks, and also I don't have the VSCO membership. I just screenshot the picture, crop it to size, sharpen it a little bit more, and smooth it out a little bit so that it doesn't look not as good quality. I really hope that you'll be able to use this whenever you edit your pictures, because I know that it's really upped my game. Also, my favorite Instagram story filters are the Caro and Juniper. Those are my two favorite. I don't like Lightroom because I feel like it's not too advanced, but like it's just not my style. VSCO is kind of beginner friendly, and that's what I am. If you're still here, comment VSCO in the comments so that I will know that you made it this far, and it will just be an inside secret to me and you, because other people that didn't make it this far don't know. So then they'll all be confused, and it's just me and you talking in the comments, and they'll be left out. So you should do that. I also edit my YouTube thumbnails on there. If you would like to see that, just let me know. I also take most of my pictures on my iPhone 11, so it's not like I have a camera or anything. You can really up your picture quality just by editing it a little bit. I don't Facetune my photos. I used to, but all I would do is whiten my teeth. But now that I have braces, it doesn't really even matter because my mouth just looks dark anyways. Make sure you go follow my Instagram and VSCO. They will be up on the screen as well as in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Hi.
If you like these kind of videos, make sure you give this a big thumbs up so I know what you guys want to see from me. Make sure you subscribe for my channel for more content from me, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss an upload from me, because YouTube be whack and doesn't notify y'all whenever I upload. So make sure you do that so you don't miss an upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Yeah.